Today I've been putting boards on the front. I've only got about 3 of them on there. I got 1 more to go. And then after I get a piece of roofing, I want to get some of that plastic roofing to put on that. 24 inches would fit just right there. Anyway. I think I'm going to bring a bug to them. Getting all excited. See? Think I got a bug, don't you? I like to feed them bugs. Crickets, grasshoppers. That. Yeah. They love bugs. I like to kind of hold the board up here and give it a mark. I don't know if the camera caught that or not, but that's where I could put the tripod. Maybe it didn't. I'm gonna go cut that off. Ooh, run out of battery. Alright, there you have it. My roost on the end of my tractor there. You can see. Check it out. Yeah. Give them a little bit of protection, yet they can still get some air on a hot day. And I'm going to build a roost on the inside. Maybe a couple of them. And we'll start them out inside there. I'm not going to let them out for a little bit. They get used to staying in there and roosting. And then they should, when I let them out, go back in there at night. Let's see what happens. Alright, thanks for watching. I made a little chicken roost inside the tractor. I'm thinking about making 2 of these. I'll make one on this side and one on this side. And I'm pretty sure that's far enough away from the nesting box. I'll make 2 of them in here. It's a pretty small space, you know, but it's just big enough. And they'll stay warmer that way probably. I guess, I don't know. I could put a thermometer in here. Well, still got to make this other deal. It's not a real big deal, but I'll check back with y'all later. Thanks for watching.